and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and I'm here to tell you more about the Billion 3-star Energy Saver AC. This AC is a magnificent innovation in the air conditioner market. To understand more about it, let's get into its features, starting with the core thought with which it was built. Billion has not just manufactured this AC in India, but for India. All its features are a result of intensive research of Indian AC buyers' needs, and that has made this air conditioner one of the most suitable air conditioners in the market right now. For starters, this AC is highly energy efficient, catering to Indians' concern of high electricity bills. With the most recent 3-star BEE rating, you get to save up a massive amount in your monthly electricity bills as compared to a regular 2017 make 3-star AC. This AC is also equipped with the new age R32 refrigerant gas. This innovative refrigerant reduces your electricity bills by up to 10%. R32 is also 3 times more environment friendly than other refrigerants. Because of its efficient refilling, you also get to save on the refilling costs. This AC also comes with the unique 3-in-1 healthy filter, which includes a vitamin filter, antibacterial filter and indoor pollutants filter. This 3-in-1 filter ensures that the air inside your room stays clean, odor-free and healthy. The vitamin filter prevents your skin from getting too dry, keeping it healthy and supple at all times. Also friends, this AC has an intelligent sleep mode. This feature continuously adjusts the temperature through the night so that you sleep comfortably and also cuts electricity bills by up to 10%. This AC is not just smart but also a cooling superstar. It not only reduces electricity bills but also cools your house even if the outside temperature is soaring high. Whatever be the weather, this AC is your ideal partner to keep your room cool and comfortable. While the summer heat may be dry in some parts of India, it's really sultry and humid in others. The Billion AC with its dehumidifier and intelligent compressor helps deliver all-weather cooling that works across different types of heat. All in all, the Billion Energy Saver AC is extremely energy efficient, intelligent and made exactly according to the Indian needs. This AC is truly a game changer in the air conditioner market. I think you should buy it right away to drift all your cooling troubles away. So yes, come join the Flipkart family where you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.